Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 120 summary. In this first clip, we can see a Ukrainian Tochka U battery of exactly 3 of these ballistic missiles being fired in the direction of the Russians. All 3 of these ballistic missiles are supposedly being targeted towards a large Russian ammunition depot, and currently, we do not have any news as to the success of this missile attack. We will be waiting for some of that news in the coming days. And there we see the last missile fly. We can now see the trails of all 3 ballistic missiles as they're on their way to their targets and hopefully on their way to success, although we still do not know about that yet. And now we can just see some random guy holding a stinger. I like that. In the next video, we can see a Gaz supply truck, a civilian commandeered vehicle from the Russian forces, being destroyed by the Ukrainians in the city of Severodonetsk. Now we can see it burning after the hit. Toasty. In this next clip, we can see another Russian commandeered vehicle being destroyed by a Ukrainian drone. Boom! It looks like it went straight through the windshield. A very clean shot, destroying the vehicle. In the next clip, we can now see Ukrainian artillery landing on Russian forces in an unknown area of the country as of this video. We can now see some Russian artillery and some more that's hidden inside of a field with some bushes. And now the artillery is going to land down on top of them, just like that one right there, and start knocking out this equipment one by one. We can now see that they hit some kind of supplies as it caught on fire, and we can now see the Russians running for the tree lines as their entire fob is pretty much been set alight. The artillery continues to rain down, and the accuracy is still great.
Let's get close, man.
Yeah, let's get real close.
Right. Yeah. Hey.
Everything is okay?
Yeah, we're gonna head back to
Where?
the underpass.
Which
for
route?
trucks.
Which route?
The same route we came.
Okay.
So we have extra
Link up with
support.
your guys.
Yeah.
That's,
We'll get to the trucks.
that's okay.
Are you coming with us?
That's still far away.
Hell yeah, man. Are you coming with us?
You know what? If you're not lucky, you'll get it anyway.
Okay.
If you're lucky, you won't get it anyway.
All right. Hey. I'll see you next time, brother. Okay. All right, guys. Saddle up. Let's move it out. All right. Fuck. 6. Yeah, let's go. Rock and roll. Oh, fuck. Fucking shit, my fucking ass. You all right? Yeah. Oh, my fucking ass. Let's go.